Hello everyone, I hope this video will be quick, but I would like to show you how you onboard cEdge without applying the manual bootstrap configuration. So I have reset all the cEdge's devices on my topology from scratch. There's no configuration at all. We can verify that. As you can see, would you like to enter initial configurations? No. And terminate, and let the device do his own thing. Okay, so this particular device only have one link connectivity to MPLS, and this one only have one with the internet. So what we're gonna do, I will create a template to push to all the cEdges. For example, if you have a 20, 40, 50, so it is standard configuration. This is all you need. Let's say this device on this Site4 went down and we have a spare one. All you need to do is just unplug the old one that went down for RMA, for example, with Cisco or any other vendor, but of course it's Cisco, it's a cEdge, and plug in the new one exactly with the same port and everything. So of course in production we have a DHCP server specific to distribute an IP address for those devices once they are on the network. So once we got the IP and everything on the device, the first thing that you need to do is the first thing you need to ask yourself is, can I reach my controllers? If it's a yes, perfect. If it's not, you troubleshoot, because you need to get this device to reach the controllers. Okay, so this device is completely blank. Let's have a look, and that will be show version, include mode, autonomous mode. Okay, that's it. And for example, if you do config T, as you can see, it's acting as a normal Cisco router. Video show run, you can see that interface connected to the MPLS router. There's no IP. Okay, so let me just clear all this. So what we need to do now, this is my previous bootstrap for this device. As you can see, everything is here, but all I need is a static root, and I need the IP address to my MPLS router. Okay, config T, that's it. All I need to do is just wait for the interface to come up, and I can see it's up now. So now let's try to reach our vManage on the transport VPN. It's a VPN 0. Okay, I have reachability 20, it's a vSmart, and 30 for vBond. Okay, I can reach my controllers. That's very good. So now if I look at the directory of this device, I don't have the root CA on here, and I need to transfer the root CA from my vManage to this device here. So if I go to my vManage now, I can see I got the root CA here, and this is the file that I need to transfer to the cEdge device, and the command for this is here. So now if I go to my okay, now let us verify. Yep, root CA is installed, and I'm happy with it. So the next thing I need to do now is to work on the template on my controllers. Okay, I will have a dedicated video for template. I will just show you this one and how it works. Okay, let's go to configuration, template, and you go to features template. As you can see, it's completely empty. All you need to click is to add a template and search here for the device, the initials, or just scroll down until you see the device that you're looking for. This one here. Okay, the first one we're gonna create is template for system, just standard configuration. So I already have something on my notepad. So cEdge system template. This is all I need. So on this template, all I need for them to ask me is the system ID, or site ID, system ID, and the host name. And I will change the console bound rate to the standard one, the 9600, and save. That's all for this template, okay? Next one is gonna be VPN 0. And it's gonna be Cisco VPN, okay? So we go VPN 0 and VPN 512, okay? Just bear this in mind always. So, of course, those names in convention is for me because I'm doing the lab. But of course, once you join, if they're already SD1 running and the templates are there, they will have different names on your company, okay? VPN 0, that's correct. Name, it's gonna be a transport VPN. And all I need is this option here, IPv4, prefix. So I'll have 000. Next hop is gonna be my neighbor, the next hop IP address. But I will change the name. I will give this naming convention for me. IP GA1 neighbor IP address. Add, and save. Next one is gonna be a VPN 512. Here 512. Name, you can say management VPN or out of bound management VPN. That's what I like to do. And here I don't need to change anything, just these two options here, and save. Next one, I'm aware that the MPLS router, the routing protocol that I have is OSPF. So in this case, we need OSPF configuration as well to be pushed. So Cisco OSPF. Route ID I leave as a default. Don't need to touch here. I just need here area. It's gonna be area 0. It's gonna be an interface. This interface here. Advanced options, and change this to default to global, and point to point. Add, and save. Next one is the configuration for the interface. Template, VPN interface, Ethernet. We know is gigabit Ethernet 1 connected to our MPLS. Basic configuration for default to global, no shut. Interface name, gigabit Ethernet 1. Static IP, IPv4, static, default specific, IP address for that particular interface, tunnel. This is a little bit trick where it comes, you have to be aware of it. Global, click yes. And this tunnel color is MPLS, okay? as you can see, this link GI1 is only connected to the MPLS router. Go down to all services, all service, global. Yes, you have to enable netconfig and SSH. Global on, and that's it for this. And I believe that will be all. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now that you created this, now you need to go to devices, under the template, device, and create template from feature template. Look for the device and give all cEdge okay, cEdge VPN 0, VPN 512 template. Copy this, and now here you already created the template or the features template. Now here you have to input those features template. So Cisco system, we know we created one cEdge system template. Go to transport and management. We also create one VPN 0, and we got an interface, and we also created the OSPF, and here 5112, and that's it. And now you click on these three dots, attach devices, and you choose one chase number, any, from the top, middle to the end. So I'm gonna go for this one here. I'm gonna click everything. I'm gonna go for FBF. Attach. Click on those three dots again. Edit device template. So site ID I know is gonna be 4. System IP I know is gonna be 444. The host name is gonna be Site4 CH1. The prefix IP address for this interface is gonna be 118.18.14.2/30, and the neighbor is gonna be .1. This is all the information that I need. Let's click update, next, and configure devices. So now let us wait. So device is offline. Of course, we haven't done anything yet. Configuration template, done, scheduled. So from here, it's all done. So I'll go to configuration, devices. Let me just take those two options. Let's give me more options. And I can see the template that I created for this chase number and the token. I can see it's here, it says vManage, and the name of the device template that I created. So I have to click on the three dots, Generated Bootstrap configuration, untick this option here, leave as a cloud init, okay, and here you can verify. For example, it's gonna be a vbond, IP is there, organization name is here, one-time password or token is here, the chase number is here, the certificate is also here, and let's see, SDWAN, tier 1. Let's see if we got the IP addresses in here. So I got the static IP here, and I got the IP for this device here. I'm happy with it. I'll download it, and I will save under the rootca folder, and I'm gonna give the name Cisco SD1 underscore cloud underscore init, and save it. That's it. Now that I've saved, you will see a symbol that the bootstrap has been generated. See? So now let's go to my WinSCP, and I can see under the folder on my computer, I can see the files here. If we look into the vManage device, we don't have this file here. Okay, so now let's transfer it to our vManage directory, and if we do it again, we can see the file here now. So now let us verify. I'm pretty sure I already sent it the ROOTCA. Yeah, it's correct. ROOTCA is here. So now I need to send that file to my device as well, and here is the command. Scope sftp admin at the IP of my vManage, the name of the file, and where I want to install it. Okay, copy admin, and we can verify. I can see the devices here. Okay, so now everything is in place. The ROOTCA is in place. The Cisco SDWAN file for the bootstrap is also in place. All we need to do now is to change control enable. So I will pause the video and I will split the screen so you can see the process once it's coming up on the cEdge and also it's coming up on the vManage. Okay, and I'll be back once it's all loaded. As you can see, it has changed to control mode now. Just let us wait to load the rest and I'll be back. Okay, now it's loading. As you can see, our bootstrap successfully extract from the file here. And see, look, the IP came up, and you will see also on the SD1 on the vManage. If I refresh now, just wait. Refresh one more time. See if we change the state. As you can see, CSR and vManage admin is up. cEdge system IP has been recognized, and the name of the host name has been recognized as well here. Okay, so let's wait to refresh automatically here, and there you go. See, CSR is fully installed. If we go to main dashboard, the controller is still down. As it's going up, as you can see, the site name has been here. So refresh it. Let's give a few seconds to come up. And if I put the credentials, as you can see, the device changed the name for what I inputted on my template. So let's refresh once again. See if it's up now. There you go. Now it's up. Now Site4 is reachable, and we can see no BFD has been formed yet. Let's refresh it. There you go. It's being formed now. Everything's coming up, and this is how you bring CSR device into the vManage, transferring the ROOTCA and the template from the template. Choose one of the chase numbers and bring it up into the network. Okay, now if you do show SD1 control connections, Let me just put it everything. So you can see they're up and they are the color and PLS here. So let me bring it up as well. This fully, and there you go. So this has formed, this has been added to our vManage. I apologize for the long video, but I hope this has been informed to you, and I hope you can apply this into your own network. So, but this is how it has been have to be done in production, because of course on my topology everything is here. I can do the way I want to, but of course I didn't want to do the easy way, but I wanted to show you how it is done in production as well. And if it's anything, you need any more information or anything for any support for a test lab like this or in production, just reach out to me and I'll support you as much as I can. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.